Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off our separate app sounds in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to find this function and how to turn it off? Of course in settings, sounds and vibration, and here we have at the bottom separate app sounds. What does it do? As you can see in the description, play media sound from one app on a different audio device. So right now our YouTube will be played on our Bluetooth speaker. To change it, we can change our app, we can turn off this app, or we can simply turn off this mode if we don't want to mess with our app selection. So just uncheck this box and that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.